So the normal to the curve y is equals to tan 3x plus pi by 2 at the point P with coordinates p comma minus 1, where p is between 0 and pi by 6. That means p is acute. Meets the x-axis at the point A and the y-axis at the point P. Find the exact coordinates of the midpoint of AB. So first and foremost, we will try to make the equation of the normal. Is that right? How will we make equation of the normal? We will. Okay, first, okay, if you want to find the to figure out the point first, y की जगह plug in p tan of 3p plus pi by 2. सही है. अब I know कि ये मेरे पास p is between 0 and pi by 6, so I'm not worried too much about it. अगर मैं tan inverse of -1 करूं तो मुझे क्या आंसर देता है बताओ. Always in radians. Pi by 4 in the second quadrant मुझे देना चाहिए ना, right? I'm looking for a positive value. So pi by 4 in the second quadrant. बात समझ आ रही है नहीं आ रही है? Pi by 4 in the second quadrant means pi minus pi by 4. दोबारा दिखाता हूँ. Okay, if you want to worry about this, पर ये देख लो जरा. If I am saying tan alpha is 1, is that right? Alpha is tan inverse of 1. So alpha is pi by 4. Is that right? Now tan is negative. Alpha is pi by 4. So where will this alpha lie? Where will this alpha lie? Is tan negative in the first quadrant? Fourth or second quadrant? हम closest value देख रहे हैं, इसलिए we'll go for this one. So if alpha is lying in the second quadrant like this, so what will be my value of my angle? Pi minus alpha. That is what I was telling you. So pi minus pi by 4 is basically 3p plus pi by 2. So pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 2 is 3p. Simplify this. 4 हो गया 3 pi minus 2 pi. It is pi by 4. So I'm directly writing p as pi by 12. Is this what you are getting? The value of p first. Does this make sense now? What else do we need? Abhi we have just figured out the gradient. How do I find the gradient? I'll differentiate the equation of the curve, which is y is equals to tan of 3x plus pi by 2. How do I differentiate it? Dy by dx. What is the derivative of tan? Thank you. 6 square 3x plus pi by 2 and then multiplied by the derivative of the angle, which is 3. Is that right? So my derivative is 3 6 square 3x plus pi by 2. Is this clear? Now, in order to find the gradient of tangent, what value of x will I plug in? 3 6 square 3 into pi by 12 plus pi by 2. How do I put 6 square? There is no 6 square in the calculator. So how do I put 6 square? 1 upon cos square. How will we do it in the calculator? Let's see this. पहले तो इसको करते हैं. 3 upon, you put a bracket first for cos of 3 times pi by 12 is pi by 4. I'm directly writing it as pi by 4. पहले make sure your calculator is in radians. Pi by 4 plus pi by 2. Remember, this is expected कि आप इसको बगैर कैलकुलेटर भी कर सकते हैं. सेक्स स्क्वायर नहीं आता तो 1 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं. देखो जरा, हाउ एम आई डूइंग इट. पूरा नीचे कॉस से पहले ब्रैकेट लगा है, आई एम स्क्वायरिंग द एंटायर थिंग, नॉट द एंगल. 6 आ गया. pi by 12 into 3 is pi by 4. I've reduced my calculator, putting in and simplified it. So the gradient of tangent is 6. Remember, you can't do this without the calculator as well. Gradient of normal is -1 over 6. Now you have the gradient, you have the coordinates. Y minus y1 is equals to m bracket x minus x1. Does this make sense? So what is the equation of normal? Y plus 1 is equals to, thoda simplify kar raha hu, is -1 over 6 x minus pi over 2. Now in order to figure out the coordinates of A and B, A का coordinate क्या है? X axis पे cut कर रहा है. That means y is 0 for A. I will plug in y as 0. Zero plus 1 is -1 over 6 x minus pi. Yes, what value of x do you end up with? 6 उधर जाके -6 हो गया and plus pi by 12. So this is 6 plus pi by 12 is the value of x. So if I want to write the coordinates of A, they will be 6 plus pi by 12 is the x coordinate, comma 0. Is this clear? Now for B, I'll put x as 0, y plus 1, -1 over 6, 0 minus pi by 12. So what is the value of y? -6, यहाँ -6 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो pi by 12 -6 लिख लेंगे इसको. Thank you, बेटे. I said -6, then I wrote it as +6. Thank you. So this will be then pi upon 72 minus 1. Is that right? So the coordinates of B are 0, comma, pi over 72 minus 1. How do I find the midpoint of AB? Is that what the question was eventually asking? Exact coordinates of the midpoint of AB. अब उसका coordinate तो सिर्फ वही है. I just need to divide this by 2 and this by 2. Pi over 12 minus 6 upon 2 and pi over 72 minus 1 upon 2. थोड़ा सा इसको simplify कर दो. So this will be pi over 24 minus 3 and pi over 144 minus 1. These are the coordinates for the midpoint. अगर मैंने कोई बहुत silly blunder ना किया हो, so this should be the coordinates of. Remember, this entire thing is your x coordinate of the midpoint, and this entire thing is your y coordinate. Is this clear?